Let's learn how to export a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, go to the File menu at the top, select Export and choose Media. This will open the Export Settings window. Next, in the Export Settings window, set the format to H.264, this is recommended for MP4 files, or another format of your choice. Then, choose a preset based on your needs, like YouTube 1080p HD if you're exporting for online platforms. Click on the output name to select where you want to save the file and give your video a name. This will help you easily locate the file after it's exported. Under the Source Range drop-down, select Entire Sequence to export the full timeline, or choose In to Out if you only want to export a specific part of the timeline. Finally, click Export to start exporting immediately, or click Q to send it to Adobe Media Encoder, allowing you to continue working in Premiere Pro while it exports. That's it. Your video will now export with the settings you've chosen.